Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you what's my eTransfer limit on Scotiabank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Scotiabank app. And once you're inside there, what you need to do is log into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, here on the bottom of the options you'll be seeing the option that says move money. Tap on that, you'll be sent to the move money options, and now here within Canada option you'll have an option that says Interac eTransfer. Now this option may be available to a specified region or residence or country. So what you want to do is just check in, and if that doesn't work, then what you need to do is simply contact the customer service center of the Scotiabank. Now what you need to do is tap on Interac eTransfer, and once you tap on that, here you'll be sent to your Interac eTransfer. Now here you'll be able to see your limit on the available accounts that you have opened. Now keep in mind, you can simply tap on the available account and increase your limit on the selected account, but keep in mind that the maximum limit of the eTransfer is $25,000, so you won't be able to enter more than $25,000, but you will be able to decrease the limit on the Interac eTransfer. So that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.